G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. Today we have the happy event of an unboxing. Following on from Emma Ritson's recommendation of M&G Productions, Mag Pro, we had a quick look on the website and found a few items that looked pretty reasonable. So we thought it was time to hook in and have a bit of a look-see at what was there. So firstly, the packaging and the shipping from them was quite easy. Everything arrived very quickly. We used Sendle to pick up from my office over in Victoria, and the guys at M&G posted from them to the office in Victoria. That was due to there being only a fairly short window for collections at the actual workshop, or the what do they call it? Factory unit, whatever. So, oh, that looks interesting. Sure, second shin. So there's a whole range of goodies in this pile, and we'll probably end up doing a more detailed review on pieces as they get used. More boots. Lots and lots of goodies. Haha, see that one. I see that one as well. So I'll leave a link on the video to the website and you can have a look see as far as what pricing and everything is. And we'll have to obviously do some detailed tests and checks when we actually get into it. But where should we start? What's in this little box down here, Dad? This is a grade 2 or grade 0? Grade 0 by 130 straight edge square. So that's pretty neat. So I'm imagining that there's a number of ways you could use that, either off an edge, vertical, and be interesting to see how that measures up. That was pretty neat. What do we got next? This looks to be transfer punch set. So range of sizes, 25 piece set, 113, 4 to 7/8 with indexing stand. Diameters 0.0025 undersize to facilitate usage. That's pretty neat. Cute little stand, cute little labels. Very cool. This is the ones I'm interested in. It's that Christmas. So we have a D14 ER32 faceplate, and it came with a spanner as well. It's always nice to get included. ER32 M40 by 1.5 nuts, D14 camlock back. So I'll be able to run that up on the AL960 and check for run out. Very cool. big box. Might have beaten you that one.
Yeah, too hard. Again, too hard.
Oh dear. Alright, we'll come back to what's in the blue box. Now this looks pretty neat. Nice box. Precision straight edge. Complete with rubber point protectors on it. Very nice.
Is it?
18-inch grade 0 straight edge. Stainless steel. That is beautiful. Check that out. Grade 0. Lovely finish on it. And yeah, there's a little point protector there you might want to put back on it just to keep the tip safe. Complete with a little carry box. Very nice. So that means this one here is a 12-inch. Little straight edge as well. That's lovely. Finish with a handle, grade 0 as well. Very swish. Oh, that is nice. Very nice. Sweet. Alrighty, so what's in this big box? No, missing that box for the minute. Mind your finger or your hand. Okay, this is a MT4 live centre for Dad's Colchester. Very nice. It's got a lever button on the back for the Morse release. Sweet. That looks the business. Excellent. Alrighty. That one looks to be something I'm quite interested to see. Okay. MT4 B18. Okay.
Keyless drill chuck.
Keyless drill chuck. Very nice. Sweet. And a box to put it in, which is always nice. All the way up. Very cool. Alright, I think I might know what's in the blue box then. It's going to be a bigger one of what's in this box. Now this is a pretty interesting piece. A lot of people have used 4-sided and 6-sided collet blocks. This design is actually a 12-sided collet block. And the innovation here is that it's always clamping on a flat face and always sitting on a flat face. So hopefully that will result in better position, better precision and better grip on the collet. So this one's the ER32 spec. It's got a hole through and a nice little clamping nut on it. That is what I've been hanging out for to do the project for Emma's competition. I need to make up a nut and I was going to put a 4-sided facet on it, and for the collet block would be handy. And why not get an ER32 one at the same time? Alright, MT3 to MT2 adapter. That's for my little baby. Very nice, very nice. Excellent. Alrighty. What's in the grey box? 15 pieces ER40 with anti-30 holder. Okay. Says ER40 you said? No, 40. Anti-30. Okay. Nice. All one piece, or it's got probably an adapter there. Oh, that's all one piece, isn't it? Nice.
That feels seriously nice. Interesting, says 0 run out.
Yeah, definitely. So as I say, we're going to have to do some inspection and testing. There's a range of collets going from up to 26.
Yeah.
All the way down to 2 on ER40 in a kit with a spanner and the NT30 holder, and alongside lifted. This is an just an ER40 collet set, 3 mils, 26, and this is another complete range as well. Every millimetre, is it?
From 3.
From 3 up to 26. And the other's got some gaps, I guess, then. Yeah, cool. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Spacer block. That looks like maybe where that came from.
Could well be.
So this, similar to gauge blocks, allows you to build up a stack screwed together with a grub screw from the looks of it. Okay, 0.900 thousandths. So that's inches down to 50 thousandths.
50,000. Nicely marked.
Very nice. Okay. Sweet. Nice case on it too. Decent latch on it. Angle block set. It'll be interesting to see how this compares to the Banggood set that Emma checked out, as far as how accurate it is to the specified angles.
There,
20 degrees. Excellent. Very nice.
Cute little boxes.
A little pair of V-blocks. Yeah, cheers. This is my baby mill. Oh, lovely. 3 positions on both sides. V-blocks, parallel, square. Very sweet. And a pair. Okay, so close the lid on that one. Close the lid on that one. And adjustable parallel set. So I'm led to believe that each of these is a pair. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's a dovetail through there, a locking screw, and a parallel. So I had thought that this adjustable set was 2 pairs, so I'm mistaken. However, luckily we mistakenly in advance got a set each, so when it comes to time it looks like Dad and myself might have to collaborate. Here he is still trying to get into this other box. Do you want to swap the camera? So this is another 12-sided collet lock, but this one's for ER40. And that is beautiful. There is no, what's the word? No spanner handle for this one.
Standard wrench.
Standard wrench, yep. But the goal being you can index 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Must be able to do 8s, yep. And 12-sided objects with the one set. That's beautiful. So, no concession or otherwise, this has all been paid for at full price. We'll do some sizes and measurements as time goes by. See where we sit. I'd say it's probably locked up in its current state. Lovely. This square is really nice. I mean, it's all really nice. It's all very nice. But here endeth the session. It's quite a lovely haul. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll get a chance to give you some feedback on what all this stuff's like, and whether you might be worthwhile grabbing some. So far it looks really nice, but we'll tell once we get some measurements. Bye now.